Exploring Make.com, the future of automation. Welcome to Make.com, where the future of automation is visual, powerful, and accessible to everyone. Design, build, and automate anything, from tasks and workflows to apps and systems. Make is a visual platform that lets you connect apps and automate workflows in a few clicks. No coding required. In a world of ever-increasing digital tools and tasks, Make empowers you to design, build, and automate virtually anything, from simple day-to-day tasks and complex workflows to entire apps and systems. Connect your favorite apps. Unlimited integration possibilities. Imagine connecting all your favorite applications, your CRM, email marketing platform, spreadsheets, databases, social media, and thousands more. Make provides a visual canvas where these connections come to life, allowing you to automate processes without writing a single line of code. Save time, increase efficiency, boost productivity, reduce errors, scale operations. Why choose Make? It's about giving you back your most valuable asset, time. Increase your team's efficiency, boost overall productivity, reduce manual errors, and seamlessly scale your operations as your business grows. No code aspect. Intuitive drag and drop, visual workflow builder, no code, all power. The magic lies in our intuitive drag and drop visual builder. If you can visualize your workflow, you can build it in Make. Select your apps, choose your triggers and actions, and map how data flows between them. It's powerful automation made incredibly simple, with no coding expertise required. Trusted by thousands of businesses worldwide. See what our customers are saying. Thousands of businesses worldwide, from innovative startups to leading enterprises, trust Make to power their critical automations. They're achieving remarkable results, and you can too. Get started free. Sign up, explore a demo. Ready to transform the way you work? Getting started with Make is easy. Explore our platform or sign up for free to begin your automation journey today. Briefly scroll through the main navigation menu items at the top of the page, e.g. Platform, its solutions, integrations, pricing, resources, login, sign up. Throughout this overview, we'll explore the core aspects of Make, delve into the platform's features, discover tailored solutions for different business needs, browse our extensive library of integrations, understand our flexible pricing, and find helpful resources to guide you. How it works. So how does it work? It's typically a simple yet powerful process. First, choose the apps you want to connect. Second, define the trigger, the event that starts your automation. Third, add the actions your scenario will perform. And finally, run your scenario and watch Make handle the work for you. Show examples of popular use cases or templates if featured on the homepage. The possibilities are vast. Automate your social media scheduling, keep your CRM data perfectly synced across platforms, streamline customer support ticket management, automate lead nurturing, process orders, and so much more. If there's a section on the homepage specifically about the visual interface or scenarios, modules, and connections, at the heart of Make are scenarios, your automated workflows. Each scenario is built with modules representing specific operations in your apps, connected to show the flow of data and logic. This visual approach makes even complex automations easy to understand and manage. Make is built to scale with you. Whether you're automating a few tasks for yourself or deploying mission-critical workflows for your entire organization, our platform offers the robustness and features you need to succeed. Developers, or API access. And for developers, Make offers powerful tools, including extensive API access and the ability to build custom apps, allowing for even deeper integration and bespoke automation solutions. Make is more than just a tool. It's a new way of working, empowering individuals and teams to achieve more with less effort. The best way to understand the power of Make is to experience it firsthand. Visit Make.com and start your free trial or explore our plans. Now let's dive deeper into what makes Make the leading automation platform. We'll explore the core platform features, specific solutions, the vast world of integrations, our pricing structure, and the resources available to support your success. Platform or features page. Title card. Make platform, unleash your creativity. Let's explore the core of Make, the platform itself. Designed for both simplicity and power, it's packed with features to bring any automation idea to life. Visual Scenario Editor. drag-and-drop simplicity, powerful logic, real-time debugging. The centerpiece is our visual scenario editor. This intuitive interface allows you to drag and drop apps and services, represented as modules, onto a canvas. You then connect these modules to define the flow of your data and the logic of your automation. You'll find triggers that kickstart your scenario, actions that perform tasks, iterators to process collections of data, aggregators to compile results, and routers to create conditional paths. App integrations, thousands of apps ready to connect. Make connects to thousands of apps and services out of the box, from leading SaaS products for marketing, sales, and support to databases, cloud storage, and developer tools. If you use an app, chances are Make can connect to it. Triggers, instant webhooks, scheduled polling, never miss an event. Automations start with triggers. Make supports various types, including instant triggers, often using webhooks, which run your scenario immediately when a specific event occurs in an app. There are also polling triggers that check for new data at regular intervals you define, ensuring you never miss an update. Actions. Send an email, mark as read, add label, perform any task. Rich app functionality. Once triggered, scenarios execute actions. Each app module in Make comes with a rich set of actions reflecting the app's capabilities. This could be anything from creating a new record in your CRM, sending a message, uploading a file, to updating a database entry. Data mapping. Seamless data flow. Transform data on the fly. A crucial part of automation is ensuring data flows correctly. Make's Visual Mapper allows you to easily map data outputs from one module to the input fields of another. You can also use built-in functions to transform data on the fly, format dates, manipulate text, perform calculations, and more. Error handling. Robust error handling. Keep your automations running. Robust automations need solid error handling. Make provides sophisticated error handling capabilities. You can define custom logic to manage exceptions, retry operations, or trigger alternative actions, ensuring your workflows remain resilient and notify you of any issues. Scheduling and execution controls. Flexible scheduling. Monitor your automations. You have complete control over when and how your scenarios run. Schedule them to execute at specific intervals, every minute, hourly, daily, or on particular dates. You can also run scenarios on demand and monitor their execution history through detailed logs. Flow control tools. For more complex logic, Make offers powerful flow control tools. Routers let you create conditional branches in your scenario. Iterators process arrays or collections of items one by one. And aggregators can take multiple bundles of data and merge them into a single bundle, perfect for tasks like generating summary reports. Data storage, or variables. Built-in data storage, persistent variables. Make also provides built-in data stores, allowing you to store information that can be used across different scenarios or for later reference. This is incredibly useful for maintaining state, caching data, or building more complex multi-scenario solutions. Templates. Start fast with templates. Solve common problems instantly. Don't want to start from scratch? Make offers a vast library of pre-built scenario templates for common use cases. Simply select a template, connect your accounts, and customize it to your needs. It's the fastest way to get automating. Team and collaboration features, if applicable. Built for teams. Collaborate on automations. Make is built for individuals and teams alike. Collaboration features enable multiple users to work on scenarios, and organizational tools help manage access, billing, and resources efficiently for larger deployments. Security and reliability. Enterprise-grade security, reliable performance. Security and reliability are paramount. Make employs enterprise-grade security measures to protect your data and ensure your automations run smoothly and dependably. We understand you're entrusting us with critical processes. These are just some of the core features that make our platform a leader in visual automation. The power and flexibility are there for you to explore and harness. Next, let's look at how Make provides solutions across various industries and departments. Would you like me to continue with the solutions, integrations, and remaining sections as well?